there! You may call me Miss Introvert, and today I will be showing you some fun, focus-inducing songs, playlists, and albums that will help you study this upcoming school year. I know you guys don't want to be reminded about this since all of the stores have been reminding you about this since late July, but that really long event that happens between like the end of summer and like the beginning of December, sometimes the middle, sometimes the end, and it starts back up again in January and then till like May, sometimes June because of snow. But it's about to start. Commence. Start is too close to the S word. You know which S word I'm talking about. But yes, studying can be annoying, believe it or not. We believe it. And I've found that if I have something to look forward to, I want to study more. So like something fun to listen to. Now, not everybody likes to listen to music when they study, and if that's how you work best while you're studying, then keep doing what you're doing, whatever works best for you. But this music is actually what's helped me study and helped me enjoy the process so much more. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, soundtracks. Believe it or not, soundtracks help me focus. They might help you focus too. Comment down below your favorite soundtracks to listen to. These are mine. I remember listening to like the Umbrella Academy soundtrack, not like the one with all the cool songs that they like put in every so often in the show, but even though they're really fun to listen to, I can't really listen to things that have like words in them while I'm trying to study, like lyrics and whatever. But like the actual soundtrack, I really like listening to that. I remember being in an astronomy class and just vibing with it after watching it for the first time. Usually after I watch something for the first time, I have to listen to the soundtrack. It happened with Haunting of Hill House. I had to listen to that while I was studying and it worked. I had to listen to Bly Manor while I was studying and it was so nice. Oh, it's just so comforting and sometimes scary, but comforting. Not only is it just fun to like relive the events of this TV show while you're trying to study, which you should probably focus more on studying than reliving the events and just kind of vibe with whatever the music helps you with. But sometimes there are certain shows like The Queen's Gambit that you can use the soundtrack for to kind of get into the role of somebody who likes to study, like the main character who just needs to learn more about chess. Listening to that soundtrack made me feel calm and calculated while I was studying. It was really nice, especially when I was writing essays. I loved listening to that when writing essays. Anime soundtracks are also good. Usually my go-to is Studio Ghibli or different piano covers from different artists. Let's see, some of my favorites are Merry-Go-Round of Life by Cat Trumpet. They have a lot of anime covers. They cover other stuff from AOT, Attack on Titan, SAO, Sword Art Online, Kingdom Hearts, Tokyo Ghoul, Your Lie in April. Lots of covers by Daigoro789, Anime K, and their Death Note tracks, stuff like that. I have an entire playlist called Anime Piano. It doesn't just have piano, it has a lot of instruments. There's some orchestral pieces. I don't know why I called it Anime Piano. I should change it. But there is a link in the description in case you are interested in listening to some anime, piano covers, tracks, whatever. Number 2, one of my favorites, lo-fi. So much lo-fi. Just having something with a beat that's like really fun to listen to is so gratifying, and it also helps you focus. Let's see, there's a Star Wars playlist on Spotify. There's a whole album of Zelda lo-fi called Zelda and Chill. You might have heard of that one, Zelda fans. I have an Attack on Titan playlist on Spotify as well. Lo-fi Attack on Titan. I was surprised when I found that and very appreciative. I'll link that in the description as well. Chill Study Lo-Fi Beats is one by Spotify, a playlist by Spotify, and it really helped me get through a debilitating math class. And then I mentioned this in my writing soundtrack video. I have 4 lo-fi playlists for the 4 seasons, and I'll link them in the description also, so check those out. Number 3, other stuff I listen to. Yes, that is a point that I made. Alright, I got 2 more Spotify playlists called Instrumental Study and Rainy Day Jazz. Those are ones that got me through a lot of classes. My mind tends to wander when I study, like all of these TikToks that are like saying, oh yeah, I forgot to understand, like while you're reading or while you're studying something. So Rainy Day Jazz is one of the playlists that definitely just keeps me grounded. I also grew up with a lot of jazz playing in my grandparents' house and even at my parents' house for a lot of the time, which is where I'm living right now. It's weird that I said that. It is my parents' house. But like in my childhood, and it makes me feel happy and nostalgic, so I love listening to that as well for that reason. So listen to whatever makes you happy and helps you focus. You got this, fellow students. I usually say you got this, writers, so I kind of felt too confident going into that. But you got this, fellow students. And those are just some soundtrack, playlist, album suggestions for all of your studying endeavors, all-nighters maybe. I would also suggest preparing for those tests in a week in advance to give your future self some downtime before that happens. It's nice to just cool down before the test starts, even though it's not always easy. It's a test. It's gonna be nerve-wracking for like the entire week before. But it's fine. We're fine. I hope this helped anyone who is looking for some advice for college studying or just school in general. And this is just my take on the subject. There are plenty of other ways to look at this concept, and you can modify my advice however you'd like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video to help grow our introverted writing community. Comment down below what you love about writing, being an introvert, being a student, or even being a fan of a certain fandom. I would love to start a discussion or a rant in the comment section. Also comment down below your studying soundtrack suggestions, because I would love to listen to some new beats, to some new soundtracks while I'm studying this semester and the semesters to come. Well, that's all for now, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the links will be in the description below. And stay basic. Okay, bye!